Please give us a brief introduction.
Sir, my name is Sourav Sekhar. I come from Borpali, which is Commandant Borgod district. I completed my 10th and 12th from JNV Belpada Bolangir. Then I have completed my graduation and post-graduation from College of Forestry OUT, Bhubaneswar. From the last 2 years, I have been preparing for civil service and Odisha Forest Service exam. And my hobby is cooking and singing.
Tell us something about your achievements.
I have NCC ABC certificate. Then I was vice president in my time in College of Forestry. Then I have given 16 times voluntary blood donation.
This is your first mock interview with Aarohan?
No, ma'am. I have given one mock interview in UPSC 3.
No, in Aarohan
Yes,
classes.
ma'am. This
is
is
the
my
first
first.
mock for OFS?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So why you want to become a forest officer?
There are 2-3 reasons behind it, ma'am. My first reason is my background. I have studied graduation and post-graduation is from College of Forestry, Bhubaneswar. Another reason is I have a keen interest in forest and environment. And the third reason is my grandfather, who was a retired forester. From there, I took several interest in forest and environment.
And if you are not selected this time, any plan B?
I think I am selected.
You will be selected. For
Yes.
God forbid, for any reason, then
Then, I will try it again, ma'am.
did you give civil service this time? Which happened yesterday, 2
No.
days ago. No? Okay. Now tell me that what are the limitations for the mapping, forest cover mapping in hilly areas?
Yes, ma'am. The first limitation is that, ma'am, the terrain is not good for moving, and the second one is a lot of vegetation is there. It is difficult to move inside the forest area. The third one is, ma'am, ma'am, ODR କହିପାରିବି ma'am, starting କଲେ ma'am, ଗୋଟେ ସାଇଡ୍ ରୁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ସାଇଡ୍ କୁ ଭିଜିବିଲିଟି ବହୁତ ବ୍ଲଣ୍ଡର ହେଇଯାଏ ma'am. ଆଉ ସେଠାରେ ମ୍ୟାନଫୋର୍ସ ଲେବର ବି ବହୁତ କମ ଇନସାଇଡ୍ ଫରେଷ୍ଟ ଏରିଆ ଆମକୁ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ଏସବୁ ma'am.
Okay. What is your opinion on the implementation of you have forestry and agriculture, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is your opinion on the implementation of genetically modified food being coming to India?
Yes.
What is your opinion? We should have it?
I mean, yes, ma'am. It has a both positive and the social impact on this. The positive impact are, ma'am, it provides a good and a lot amount of food with very less, with very limit losses, ma'am. Genetically modified food, ma'am, food hunger index को हमको आपको नहीं पारला. ଆଉ ଆମର ଯେତେ ଫୁଡ ଦରକାର ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ସେଟାକୁ ସବୁ ଫୁଲଫିଲ କରିଦେଇ ପାରିଛି. ଆଉ ଇନସେକ୍ଟିସାଇଡ ପେଷ୍ଟିସାଇଡ୍ସ ର ରିଡ୍ୟୁସ ଟା ମଧ୍ୟ କମିଗଲା ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ଜେନେଟିକ୍ସ. ଆଉ ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ନେଗେଟିଭ ଇମ୍ପାକ୍ଟ ତା ଦେଖିବାକୁ ଗଲେ ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ଏନଭାୟରମେଣ୍ଟାଲ କନସର୍ନ ରୁ ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ଏଟା ଟିକେ ଏନଭାୟରମେଣ୍ଟାଲ କନସର୍ନ ଆସୁଛି ଯେ ଲୋକାଲ ବାୟୋଡାଇଭରସିଟି କୁ ହେମ୍ପର ମେ ବି କରିପାରେ. ଆଉ ଥାର୍ଡ ଥିଙ୍ଗ ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ଯେ माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म मान को जीन ता देहरे इंडक्ट करा जाउची रिलीजियस कंसर्न सोशल रिलीजियस कंसर्न.
What suppose there is a conflict between the Forest Rights Act and Wildlife Protection Act.
Yes.
So according to you, what should prevail and why? कोठा रहिबा दरकार आ काहे की रहिबा दरकार?
Both the act are very much important to us. In Forest Right Act 2006, we are giving land to the other forest dweller as well as the ST community. And in Wildlife Protection Act 1972, we are protecting the animals, wildlife inside the forest area, which is categorized under Schedule 1, Schedule 2, Schedule 3, and 4. I think, ma'am, both the acts are important to us, and we should make a balanced approach on this.
ନାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ ଆସିଲା ଯୋଉଠି ଦିଟାକ କନଫ୍ଲିକ୍ଟ କରୁଛି ତାହେଲେ କୋଉଟା ରହିବା ଦରକାର ଫରେଷ୍ଟ ରାଇଟ୍ସ ଆକ୍ଟ ରହିବା ଦରକାର ନା ୱାଇଲ୍ଡ ଲାଇଫ କନଜରଭେସନ ଆକ୍ଟ ମାନିବା ଦରକାର ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ଅଫିସର ଅଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ ଆସିଲା ଯୋଉଠି କି ଦିଟାକ ମାନେ କନଫ୍ଲିକ୍ଟ କରୁଛି କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାଡିକ୍ଟ କରୁଛି ତ ଆପଣ କୋଉଟାକୁ ନେଇକି ନିଜର ଫୋର୍ସ ଅଫ ଆକ୍ସନ ଟା କରିବେ
मैम कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट तो करिबा कथा न मैम दीटा एक्ट अलगा अलगा बाबत रे जेहेतु कहउछि मैम फिर भी जदी कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट करला फॉरेस्ट राइट एक्ट द्वारा मो तांको
कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट न करबे कन्फ्लिक्टिंग आसुछि किछटा गोटे ओवरलैपिंग होछि एटा करले सेटा अफेक्टेड है जो सेटा करे एटा अफेक्टेड है
आज्ञा मो फास्ट ट्राई करिबी मैम गुड बैलेंस अप्रोच नेबा को जदी न हल्ला मो फास्ट मैम वाइल्ड लाइफ कंजर्वेशन एक्ट रे जदी शेड्यूल 1 एनिमल किसी आसुचंती ताले से एक्ट को फास्ट प्रायोरिटी देबी देन फर्स्ट राइट
okay now from agriculture you know that we are now in the generation of superfood markets in Odisha has also taken a high step
Yes.
okay and being globally acclaimed also so tell me that whether the presence of millets or the promotion of millets has hampered the paddy production in Odisha?
No, ma'am, it does not hamper the paddy production, but the millet mission increase millet quantity of millets in Odisha by providing MSP on this, and people are gradually aware about the contribution and the nutritious content of millets. But it does, I think, ma'am, it does not hamper the paddy production in Odisha.
You have done your +2 from
Jawaharlal Navodaya Vidyalaya,
Velpahar. Okay. Tell me the forest cover of Bolangir area.
Ma'am, I have studied here, but my hometown is Borpali, which is common or Bargad district. But the forest cover of Bolangir area exactly I don't know, ma'am. But the species found in Bolangir is Butea monosperma, Jadilacta indica, and Ficus. All of the Ficus species are there found. Then Igel marmolus, Mimosox elingi, Cassia siamia. These are the common species found in the.
You have done from OUT Bhubaneswar. When was OUT established and which year?
Oh my God, I forget this question. Sorry, ma'am.
Okay. Now, do you know which district has the least forest cover in Odisha?
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay. Suppose you are a forest officer and you have been assigned, you have got a complaint that a baby elephant is about to die, it's a verge of death near a mining area. Okay. And people believe that that might be the activity of the mining people. And the mining people are denying the fact.
Yeah.
So how will you handle and get out the truth from this scenario?
When elephant died.
Not died. He's a verge of dying. He's not dying, but he's very ill. He's found near the mining area in a very bad condition. Okay, and the villagers and the office forest dwellers are telling that that is because of the mining people. They're accusing the mining people, and the mining people are telling that no, we have not done. They're denying the fact. So how can you get out the truth from this matter?
The first strategy which I will apply that first I will recover the baby elephant and send it to the veterinary doctor, local veterinary officer for proper treatment and proper care. Then I will conduct an inquiry how this baby elephant get troubled into this situation. Then
But how will you know? What is the method? That's what I want to know. You will do an inquiry, that I know. But what should be the method to detect that this is because of the mining activities being going on, because that effect is still the elephant is dying, or some people have done some crime and poaching is done on that, so it is dying. So what is the method? That I want to know.
First, I will conduct an inquiry among the village people and the local native people. Then ma'am, if I was posted there, then I have developed a local surveillance and intelligence network, and I will try to collect all the data from them. Then, then the third thing I will do is inform to the local police station regarding the activity about the baby elephant, and trying to solve the problem, and then in future this type of problem will never happen in this area.
Okay. Suppose you are a officer where you have been given the task of controlling the agitated farmers. Okay, there is a drought-like situation in the area, so the plants are becoming dry, and the farmers are asking you to open the reservoir. Okay, but the water content of the reservoir is below the mark. So, as an officer, how will you handle the situation?
Ma'am, the water reservoir is inside the forest.
It's like it's a agricultural land. Okay, but there's a the scarcity of rainfall, due to which the water content has decreased from the people where they were getting from the ponds, or that irrigation is disrupted. So the fields are getting affected.
Yeah.
And you are an officer in charge of that area. The villagers have approached you to open the water reservoir, which contain water, but it is below the marked line. So how will you handle the agitated villagers, and how will you solve this problem?
Ma'am, I will invite 2, 3 of them, the leader of among them. I will try to first approach them regarding the situation and the problem. I will tell them the water content of this reservoir will not be sufficient so much that they are provided with a lot of ample water quantity. Then the second thing I will do to them, that instead of their water containing crop, they have to the crop which require less amount of water in that area, like millets. Millets contain very much less amount of water in. I will try to make them make a specific approach regarding this cultivation. Then the third thing which I will do is providing some subsidies from the government in the drought affected area, making them understand about the government scheme.
Okay. Your hobbies are cooking and singing. Cooking, which type of food?
An Indian traditional food I used to take.
Okay. What is the food that you cooked today in the morning?
And today morning I did.
Last cooked food?
And last cook which I have cooked is rice and dal fry and chicken curry.
Okay. What is one thing that is present in Odia cuisine make it unique from other states?
Ma'am, I think 2, 3 cuisine in Odisha, which is make different. One is a dalma. Second one is in Western Odisha, there is ambilo. Ambilo is there. And the third one is the dessert thing, like chaul bara, dahi bara. These are.
Now, what is the technique? Which style of cooking we do? How makes us unique from the other states cooking methods? We use a particular method of cooking, or every Odia house makes.
Ma'am.
which is generally the Eastern Indians make.
Ma'am.
If you take it into consideration,
Ma'am.
2 to 3 things are unique to this area. Can you tell me what? We use slow cooking methods.
Yes, ma'am.
We use mustard, prominent use of mustard oil, mustard.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. But it is also prominent in West Bengal, ma'am.
That I don't know, Eastern areas, we have a common thing. Even in West Bengal, Odisha, Bihar, and if you say Assam, they have much more similarities.
Yes.
And also we have pokhara, which is
Yes, ma'am.
yeah,
That is very much unique to.
unique to.
Odisha.
Though that is not unique because West Bengal has also a same type of food. Jharkhand has sometimes same names are different. Okay, but they have certain versions. Okay. Another thing is from your cooking hobbies I can ask you is that can you tell me what are the vegetables that are not to be used in Puri Shri Mandir process preparation? 2 to 3 vegetables, especially যেদিন ডালমা হচ্ছে মন্দিরে জগন্নাথ মন্দিরে 2-3টা ভেজিটেবল যেটা আমি ঘরে ইউজ করছি ডালমারে কিন্তু সেইটি অ্যালাউ নাই.
Not aware about it.
Tomatoes, potatoes, brinjals, these are not allowed.
Ma'am.
Okay, chilies.
Ma'am.
Okay. I would have singing which type of song?
Odia song. Generally, Odia and my
Devotional
cultural.
or folk or Odia film songs?
Normal, ma'am. Album song, film song.
Okay. So, who is your favorite singer?
Human Sagar, ma'am.
Okay. So, and you have done NCC and you are a vice president of College of Forestry Biology and you have blood donation. So, what is your blood group?
I'm O positive is my blood.
O positive.
Yes, ma'am.
So, tell me what is positive? Stands for?
RS factor, ma'am.
What is that?
Exactly, I do not able to recall at this moment. Sorry.
Who is a universal donor?
O negative is the universal donor.
And universal acceptor?
AB positive, ma'am.
AB positive is universal acceptor?
Yes,
Or
ma'am.
AB negative?
AB positive, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
How many camps have you attended for NCCC certificate?
2 camps, sir. I have attended 2 camps. One in
What are the weapons that you know to fire or training you got in NCC?
Sir, it's a small weapon are used in NCC training, sir. Like that.
Yeah, nowadays, of course, that is .22 rifles. You are firing with .22 rifles, right?
Yes.
Okay, air guns, like
Yeah.
the .22 rifles. Okay. No, larger, like during our time, we have fired 7.62 SLR in INS Chilka. I was in Naval Wing. And if you go to ALC, BLC, basic leadership course and advanced leadership course, there they will also give you LMG and all. Okay, but very few people get selected for that. Now I think things have changed. Okay. So anyway, what is the motto of NCC?
Sir, unity and discipline.
And what is your NCC song?
Sir, Hum Sab Bharatiya.
Who wrote it?
Sir,
Do you remember?
yes, sir, I know the name right now.
Okay, just go through that. Right.
Yes.
Then Vice President, College of 16 by donation. Forestry and agriculture have taken. Let us start with forestry. What do you mean by CAI and MAI? And what is the significance of the intersection of these two, CAI and MAI?
Sir, current annual increment and mean annual increment.
Yes.
They stand for.
Yes.
Yes. Sir, current annual increment is the one who is a planned growth in the current year, and mean annual increment is stand for, sir, who is a planned growth in the last few years by adding the current annual increment and dividing it by the numbers of year. When they meet, sir, at the maximum volume growth of timber is there when CAI and MAI meets at a point, we saw a maximum volume of growth of timber at that point, sir. After that point, sir, the CI current annual increments start to decreases, but the mean annual increments do not fall below that level.
Okay. So, how many types of forest maps have you studied? Many types you have studied. You tell me 3 or 4 forest maps.
Yes. Management maps, sir. One is afforestation map. Then one is silvicultural operation map. Silvicultural operation maps, sir. Another thing is soil type of forest maps, sir. And this much I am able to recall right now.
At the bottom of most of these maps, you will find a representative fraction. What is this? What is the significance of representative fraction?
Sir, it is a scale in the bottom which represent the ratio in the map and the original place. Sir.
Okay. What do you mean by social forestry? Give one example from Odisha.
Yes, sir. The social forestry, which is done for the benefits of common people. Social forestry is by the people, and social forestry is for the people, and social forestry is of the people. In which we plant a tree for the benefits of local people. In social forestry, we have farm forestry, reclamation forestry, and we have community forestry. And in Odisha, sir, social forestry is generally practiced in panchayat level, sir, in which the village people are collect the local timber, fodder, and firewood from the community forest.
Tell me the methods of cultural practices or weed management.
Yes, sir.
Cultural methods
Yes,
of
sir.
weed management.
Sir, sir, soil,
Weed management.
weed management. Sir, right now,
Various methods are there. Cultural method is there. Mechanical methods are there. Chemical methods are there. Biological methods are there.
yes, sir, yes, sir.
So I am just asking for cultural methods.
Sir, hand picking of weeds.
Yes, good. Then
Another thing is
Acha, why? Yes.
by using some instrument like hook, sir, and so weed cutter. These are the common methods.
Okay. So, can you tell me why agroforestry is not very popular in Odisha? What
Yes,
are the
sir.
reasons?
Mainly 2-3 reasons because agroforestry is not very much popular. The first one is delay return of forest tree species. It provides a very delay return, and the second one is farmers are not aware about the agroforestry practices which are done in Odisha and the benefits of agroforestry practices. And third thing is, sir, there are very much few compatible forest crops which the farmers of Odisha require along with their arable crops.
Okay. So, what do you mean by precision agriculture? Precision agriculture.
Yes, sir. By providing right amount, right quantity of fertilizer right quantity of water and at the right time. Mainly this is on agriculture.
Okay. Any example that you can give from Odisha?
No, sir, I am not able to recall.
Acha, you know various carbon pathways, C2, C3, C4, and CAM.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what are these, and give an example of each of these.
Sir, in C4 pathway, sir, plant require very much less amount of water, while in C3 pathway, it will require more amount of water. In C4 pathway, bundle sheath cell is present, but in C3, but the bundle sheath cell is not present. And C4 type of plants are mainly found in desert area, and C3 plant found in everywhere.
Cactus will be example of what?
C4 plants.
Sure, cactus will be C4.
Sir, right now I'm confused.
Check that
Okay, sir,
and
I-
let me know what is cactus.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So, what do you mean by joint forest management?
Sir, it is a participatory approach by the local village community for the management of forest area nearby the village area, in which the benefit sharing of all the forest commodities are done between the forest department and the local peoples.
Okay, thank you. So currently some test match is going on now between India and which country? Today?
Sir, I do not aware of this.
You're not keen in cricket?
No, sir.
Okay. India played against Pakistan in Asia Cup
Yes,
and
sir.
won.
Yes, sir.
Do you think that that was the right decision to play against Pakistan?
Sir, it is a right decision. Yes, sir, I think it is a right decision because, sir, we have our best player in Indian team, sir, and the people of India are very much confident about the team India that it will win between Pakistan and India. Yes, and we prove it, sir, that India win Pakistan.
Okay. So recently there is a great peace deal which has been done in the world. A
Yes.
long-standing problem.
Yes,
Where?
Gaza, sir.
What is your opinion? What should be the solution for the Palestinian dispute? Do you know India's position?
Yes, sir, India is a little more confused. We send our Minister of State for the.
Why is India confused? Our what is our stand? Do you know the two-state solution? What is the two-state solution?
Yes, sir, Gaza and Palestine.
Palestine and Israel both will exist. That is what we are saying.
Yes, sir.
But the problem is that Hamas and many of the other players in Palestine and the Arab states, mainly in Palestine, they say that there will be no Israel. Okay,
Yes.
that is why two-state solution is not possible, very difficult, because one party is saying that we will not allow the other to exist.
Yes.
Israel is not saying that. Israel does not say that, well, Palestine should not exist. But anyway, so who is more close to us, Israel or Palestine?
Sir, yeah, more close to Israel is, sir, I think it is USA, sir.
Not geographical distance, ideological distance I'm talking about. Means, is it our friendly country or we don't have much relation with Israel?
Yes, sir. USA is provide very much arm to the Israel. Israel, sir.
What
I
is
think-
Israel providing us?
Sir, Israel technical support. Israel provides technical support, sir.
What type of missiles it has provided? us and the drones it has provided us,
Yes, sir.
which we used in Operation Sindoor,
Yes, sir.
which we used in Kargil
Yes, sir.
when the entire world, rejected us. Israel gave us the laser-guided missiles,
Yes, sir.
which we used in Kargil. Otherwise, it would have been very difficult to clear the hills without air support. And air support, we did not have that technology. They gave us. Okay,
Yes, sir.
right. Okay. Who won the Nobel Prize recently? Peace Prize. Nobel Peace Prize.
Sir, I did not study.
এটা দিয়ে পড়ে দেবেন।
I-
Nobel
yes, sir.
সবগুলো তো পড়িবে।
Yes, sir.
Peace Prize টা কে বলবে পড়িবে? Why did she get it? Venezuela's opposition leader. She got it because, according to the prize giving committee, she strengthened democracy. Okay. Okay, fine. That will be the end of the interview. Now the assessment. ठीक है, most questions अपन ठीक हो चुकी. Posture, gestures, ଆପଣଙ୍କର flow of speech, ସେ ସବୁ ଠିକ ଅଛି. Quality of content, quality of answer is also good. Smile ବି ଯେତିକି ଦରକାର ସେତିକି ରହୁଛି. Okay, so I'm giving you 145 out of 200 for today's interview. ଆଉ ଟିକେ ବି perfection ଆଣନ୍ତୁ ଯେମିତି କହିଲି first rate.
Yes, sir.
5-6ଟା question ଆସିବନି ହିଁ ଆସିବନି, କିଛି ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ହବାର ନାହିଁ.
Yes.
ଠିକ ଅଛି sir. So you maintain that smile. ଯୋଉଟା ଆସୁନି straight ମନା କରିଦେବେ. No guessing, no bluffing.
Yes.
ଆପଣ guessing କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି କୋଉଠି. That is good. So ଆସୁନି ମାନେ ଆସୁନି ସିଧା କଥା. That is not negative. But ଆସୁନି କିନ୍ତୁ ବୁଲେଇ ବୁଲେଇ କଣ ଗୋଟେ କହିଦେବି ଯୋଉଟା କି ଭୁଲ ଥିବ ଆଉ factual question ରେ ସେଟା ବହୁତ ଅସୁବିଧା. Okay, ମନେ ପଡୁନି ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି କହିଦେବେ. ଜାଣିକି ମନେ ପଡୁ.
Yes.
Good.
Okay, ମୁଁ ଲେଖିବି ଦେଇଛି ଆଇ ମୁଭମେଣ୍ଟ ଟା ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ରୁ ହଉନଥିଲା।
I movement.
ଆଇ ମୁଭମେଣ୍ଟ ଟା ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଆପଣ ମତେ ହିଁ କାଲି କହୁଥିଲେ ହେଲା, ଚେୟାର କିଏ ଥାନ୍ତୁ ନଥାନ୍ତୁ ସେମାନେ ମୋବାଇଲ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଯାହା କରୁଛନ୍ତି, your eyes will always move. It's mandatory. Okay, ଯିଏ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ପଚାରୁଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କୁ 90% and to the co-panelist in the between 10%. Okay, the enumeration of answer should be done firstly, secondly, thirdly ଏଇ format ରେ। ତା ଯୋଗୁ କଣ ସୁବିଧା ହୁଏ ନା ମୋର ଗୋଟେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ ଟାର ଓପିନିଅନ ଓରିଏଣ୍ଟେଡ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ ର 10ଟା ଆନ୍ସର ହେଇଥାଇପାରେ ହେଲା, କି ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ବେଷ୍ଟ ତିନିଟା ହେଇଗଲା ବେଳକୁ ଆମେ ଜାଣି ଦଉଛେ as a psychologist that this person knows the thing. Okay, is going in the right direction. ନହେଲେ କଣ ହୁଏ ନା ଆଗ ପଛ ଜିନିଷଟା ଆଗ କହିଯିବ ତାପରେ ପଛ ଜିନିଷ କହିବ ଏମିତି ହେଇଯିବ। So ତାର ଟେକ୍ନିକ କଣ? Listen to the question, take a pause of half a second, formulate your answers, then speak. Because you have good flows with that I have written. Updation of current affairs should be done till your interview. Interview କେବେ ଅଛି?
18
18 ଅଛି। 17 ରାତି 18 ସକାଳ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ କରେଣ୍ଟ ଆଫେୟାର୍ସ ଅପଡେଟ୍ କରିବେ। 14 ରୁ 20 ଭିତରେ ହେଲା ଯୋଉ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଓଏଫଏସ୍ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ ର ଯୋଉ ଚାଲିଥିବ ଟାଇମ ଯୋଉଟା ସେ ସମୟ ସବୁ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ ଚାଲିଥିବ, ତା ଭିତରେ ଓଡିଶା ଆଉ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆର କିଛି ଏଗ୍ରିକଲଚର କି ଫରେଷ୍ଟ ରିଲେଟେଡ ଏନି ପଲିସିଜ ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ଏନି ଇଏ କିଛି ବି ହଉଥିବ ନ୍ୟୁଜ ରେ ଥିବ in any way, positive or negative. Okay, go through that. Maybe opinion question ଯଦି ପଚାରି ଦିଅନ୍ତି ସେଇ related. Suppose ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା ଯେ ଏଠି ଗୋଟେ protest ହଉଛି, what is your opinion? Your answer should be neutral and unbiased. Okay, so ସେଇଟା prepare ହେଇକି ଯିବେ। Related ମତେ ପଚାରିଲେ ମୁଁ ପୁରା unbiased, neutral, ଭୁଲ କଥା କହିବିନି but unbiased. Okay, and composure, posture is good, flow of speech is good. I've given you 138 plus with a bracket of 145. Hello? So ଟିକେ କାମ କରନ୍ତୁ, you will get good marks. Okay, all the best.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mike, Sekhar.
Sir.